Number one, not integrating your inventory feed directly into Facebook. You'd be surprised, but a lot of agencies out there, they're running a manual process. They're not integrated with your feed provider. Why? Probably because most agencies are people companies. They're not technology companies, and they don't have the integration to pull your feed, convert it into a Facebook format, and send it into Facebook. Your customers need to see a live daily inventory feed. Why? Because then they can decide what vehicles they want to click on, what vehicles they want to submit a lead on. If you're leaving it up to a manual process where the agency is just uploading a photo of their best guess on what's hot in the market, or they're uploading stock photos, that's not a very good process for the consumer. They need to see your live inventory, then they can decide what vehicles they want to engage with. Guys, the golden era of Facebook isn't going to last forever. Once everyone else has it figured out, once everyone else jumps on the platform, it's going to get massively more expensive to advertise on Facebook. The dealerships that have Facebook figured out today are going to make a lot of money while everyone else is standing on the sidelines, scratching their heads, wondering if Facebook works or not. If you're ready to get Facebook done right today, contact us at ShapeShift Group. Until next time, see ya.